Bedin kuma hodo pi ewie ya satena se yede foforo na babade ye kasa yi meso ko Facebook na ohwehwe Insha 104.5 FM live on Facebook abohu page no odonya hu page na wa like page na mayen o like page ni wi a yesrewa na onsusu watimi a share live video na da ho no share ma wonamfonom enso atimi ahwe bi na wo message bi a wo de to ho a ye be kan ni nyina de amam anopa no messages ni na eyemo ye nya bre antimi akenkan ni nyina bara wi yatena si yebe make sure se kakra bi ebeba no yebetimi akan ni nyina nti betimi a share live video no sesi a make se ko Facebook a me hu obi te se Wilfred Buckets Wood oginam live ono so monitor show no sanso na Richard Manu nantenenti asante koroko omo youth coach no wadon so ehwe dwumadie ni bi Kwame Amoakohene ewo Atlanta wono so ehwe show no na honorable Abedi Kwada so Kumase wono so enya join feed no na James Yaboa enso so Sweden and the omo nyina giram awie ya omo so monitor show nti onso join feed ne yun se won ye na ekwa na omo share no so doso etu so share ma onamfonom nso hu se onso ohwe dwumadie ni bi sanso na ajekum enso ehwe show ni be live dada boat enso so ehwe bi omo hwe show ni doso nti ode yebenya bre na ya hwe omo hwe show ni nyina me hu se Tuwahidu Dauda Ibrahim Swafo wono ehwe bi Joseph Ankoma ehwebi Insia Andrew Kofi Usu enso ejinam na Queenie Getisam okay ono so ehwe show ni bi na NS Quarten enso ejinam Asante Steven also ejinam den Edu Kwame live from Italy ono so ehwe bi say uko Italy there's a big man enso Italy ono so monitor 20 man donko enso ehwe was na mention my name akwasi baby lala so say minim so waka China ho dia baby lala say coronavirus minim sama baby lala ka China ho dia baby lala so ehwe bi na Jack Alolomi so ehwe bi eja obani o Jack eja obani o
Jack do have you
Jack Alolomi so ehwe bi atapanyin so ehwe bi na Kwame Felix Bernard Kwaku Ochere ene Eric Kwaku Jemfi bebetu yaw aduomi na akwasi bi ni mo na edu abankro also Liverpool UK and so Wisdom Arnold and George Pollocks omunyina ba be girema omu hwedwumadi mi David Amoa akwasi bi ni mo ne Steven Diodu Anson George Accra ono so monitor dwumadi live on Facebook nti money my dakwa enso so wo Connecticut wo America ono so monitor show na pe awiai we se nipa ne bebrebe en omo so follow live on the Facebook na Amisa enso ehwebi Asante Alata niba Koku Britain na we wabusu ni bi po Facebook de wo hudi ono so die na bad andi yen kwama ne kakra bi mra on ye ba na afi ya ba beto so on into the yenko ana
yenko mra yenko right live on Inshira 104.5 your number one Akana radio station wasugu so wote play of ya kuna fensam kakra bi ansaka eri frinko from coast na we yenyemo enso emfa emati fona mamisha emfa free bobo ko friends Manchester City akate ni nyane se upi Manchester City abana free UEFA enso timber hu koma na free Manchester City enso e ba de terese nei urom Manchester City ya se ade akata mpanimfo no so aka e de akere Manchester City players so na coach ni din e de Pep Guardiola second pia so e kono mo so omutumi fa so etumi fight na fi e wose ban se bia mpanimfo etumi overturn no ana so metumi reduce no wo mo so betumi take action kama na bibia enso etumi kama e de Manchester City boboko no and e de fi obapenya friends o he Vadalo e former e coach at Real Madrid was since obawiase no wo hu goalkeeper be otisa e abrantia your friends Marc-Andre ter Stegen no was si hu goalkeeper be otisa abrantia da na goalkeeper pani and nano against e Tefi na se goalkeeper bo e to net ani na was save ball kama ama Barca timenya the 3 maximum points in according to Peña your friends o he Vadalo Dano no was your brand friends Mark Andre ter Stegen were one of the best goalkeepers one sweating me the world of football and opinion in Samoa what to your cancer so penina your friends Ike Casillas no will contest as a Spanish FA presidential Munsu election Sabano one sweat me kwa Jinabia Nevia the tennis Ike Casillas officially when you confirm say no he said or your candidate Nyami Adma Spanish FA womanso presidential elections no call say omuntu ne so banafi wo may the new Spanish FA president and TFU by don't say no yet TFU and Nevia Sanso and Makacho se Barca still leguso Chelsea apprentice friends Lautaro Martinez at every Inter Milan Bobo kunim na the Nevia yes Inter for on some Makacho Sananka Inter pesa apprentice the day at Antoine Griezmann a part of the deal nemum yes Barca for Chirema Antoine Griezmann the moment me fanema nemum apprentice friends Felipe Coutinho and on between na ka deal no ho na fe Inter for na Coutinho na sa apprentice friends Lautaro Martinez one so tme be sia kan at ama Barca Bobo kona no ensema eno so ekoso e o Barcelona fe Inter Milan wo munso akachi na wie na wokai apprentice friends Joshua King one a player de ba bomb funim se ka keto bi na nka Manchester United e kwa kofa no na yesi di Amadou na man so opanyina your friends Mr. Edward one a dia transfer deadline day no eno katira bomb for munso a Chiefs ne se nei wo mo just 15 minutes pe wo mo man ntise bia wo ebe obetimi asane apprentice friends Joshua King it's 15 minutes for the last bit and so the bar and 25 million pounds for the bar some penny for the betia so one tier senyasa one Edward Robert signing player and so the free China international sa Chinese player na wakano and your apprentice friends Odion Igalo yes no penya and asa dia bomb of penny for no it would rom do sa so penya way arrogant asa huma so bi sawati ase na okasa wo mo bomb of 15 minutes wo mo fen decided the team sa kwano one share and fan respect and so and fa mo intiase no kan bi ntina penny for the just said that bi kra no is o enyan ton Joshua King and fanema Bobo conference Manchester United and DFU by don't say no yet TFU and now you mama fan to ja so penny friends Carlo Ancelotti the super Calito and sweat nyakasa kra na Carlo Ancelotti somebody to ja so say nei yen kamo biante o say nei ade ye say the title race no more den e with Italy no we enjoy no do giri say Juve e wa advantage ni nyan so mo CR7 enti Ronaldo opiem e Juve no e ma omo enya advantage of other clubs wom enso atinyaka and oyo panyin sem kakra wono enso atmedia to your sanso and opiem a wotena na UEFA Champions League no run of 16 matches no betimi ashase na big one na obi ahwe ni wotena eye Wanda Metropolitano Stadium and Atletico Madrid and Liverpool game no na Liverpool squad omo kwa kopie game na say ena esiatie apprentice friends Alisson Becker Sansona Fabinho Virgil van Dijk apprentice friends Jorginho Wijnaldum Dejan Lovren James Milner apprentice friends Keita Sansona Roberto Firmino apprentice friends Sadio Mane Mohamed Salah Joe Gomez Adrian Henderson Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain apprentice friends Minamino Lallana Robertson Original Joao Matip apprentice friends Trent Alexander-Arnold wom any players a coach and thing Eddie Jordan Klopp Eddie Omoko na Nyami Admo na game no wo mu so tina ko fight di ama Bobo kwa friends Liverpool abromo so epiemu e wo ye Wanda Metropolitano Stadium and DFU about Brentford Dinyan so the Alexa Lacazette was English teams no be anya careful Nicolas Pepe say the form they corner no she go so provide assist Lacazette class no be anya careful wa wunya any Arsenal emo epiano ye careful esanso Brentford friends Nicolas Pepe the form na wa pekeno enya sem keto akra and DFU by don't say no yet for Brentford friends Pjanic one player the Bobo kwa Dieri Juventus were game against her Brescia no kopra now you see before the game a Brentford friends Pjanic one in the coach friends Mauricio Sarri equal agreement sa game no and ka coach no enso betimi arrest no coach na nkasa essence wetimi breaking a promise wo kobo Brentford is say akwa for injury and so by one here now almost Champions League game against Olympique Lyonnais no na Brentford friends Pjanic wentimi ansia kan bi and DFU by Liverpool game on bono chana dia Let's Go Madrid no good news for a team na Brentford friends Diego Costa and with me a full training with air squad no mo hwedum se Nyame admo chana wonu so betimi asia kan bi the etia Liverpool wo ensu bobo kono and the atena se no Brentford friends Musa America wonu so koba se Porto able game na edu ba bi dia ne opponent ensu huru ne se wo ya ade ye na jose ball no one to aso bi mbo jai ball ne bo film esanse adre ensu ntimi mo ball no eni na se ne players ono mu sia ka wo Porto photo wom air catch and some money free park and so one to also na free omo game ning no and open friends Sean Ward Phillips ade abetuja was a photo players no wom and show solidarity and Franchina Brante friends Musa Marigasa player their opponents run so ya doing no free park so Musi there be emane nkonto man show solidarity and no air the Sean Ward Phillips no one and so they together say their boss at the na eja demanya sim keto akra earlier the betuja say boss team no open your friends Jose Maria Batemio akwa a PR company bia nurse ade adwuma mo so ba be so open your friends Jose Maria Batemio no wom able protect no the adebe be no mon kase ye na fim penifo bi on man wom ntane so mo image wom nse omo na yesef ade players ni bi Lionel Messi yesi ade sa company omo bana fim Messi adebe be no wom so ba criticize no Samson Gerard Piqué Javier Hernandez anasa Brante papa friends Xavi where former player open your friends Juan Laporta where former president no na nkomo nsem penifo Samson Robert call friends Victor Font na wono so any Jose Maria Batemio and na president no wom so kan na open your friends Victor Font wababonti wo se sa pa na tie pa dia and your boss current air board no and for open your friends Jose Maria Batemio wom nyina and resign with immediate effect and some so dia wom emra bontin fa inchenchire mu dia story ni city no wom so fa bibia emra bontin sanso and open ba ko ni dia timi pie mu no your friend Augusti eye Benedict ono to de o kirema was assembly by ya pe and wo court and they say one so etimi file for a lawsuit against Batemio and no the free passer and so etoja and we dey won sem no yet MT for 1xBet charter professional no wo number one betting company so so twa better 1xBet number we so person kwa homa na so mami ninkomo nwie
but menko mami ninkomo nwie na imemra hon me kwa homa no so na me ne Bekum Chelsea head coach Joseph Asaribediakon Bekum Chelsea omo head coach no yene no enwon komo coach bibia boko de hello yede nyamiase coach you started Ghana Premier League bobe 1 2 3 4 5 games na Bekum Chelsea no manyina ekoyi na hwese na no City a mo hye kotoko na mo hye Asgold na mo hye Hearts of Oak ni ade ni nyina so mo ko hye no away ene Bekum Chelsea tifie kra na Interlice hye no 3-1 ni ade in last 2 matches wo mo stars na jese no man hye dan koyi mo concede be 6 goals in your last 2 games coach obi beka se Bekum Chelsea said the Mujanesi started any adenom Mujana Duma na hello coach
hello me was so so that
aha se wala ni twetwe ntia no gina yi kakra me
yo me da se na how the football is about that match
coach still line emunya kra but yen hwese bi betimi anya coach bi na yene coach akasa because coach so gina ye kakandi it is now all come my bet as a man
1xBet no na as I said there was a Champions League next returning enti se ubetwa bet na won so atimi adi na say 1xBet o first deposit amount 200% bonus and so the piece one so log on www.1xbet.com now so atimi register kama
Matima Mesan try his menya coach be my coach after hello coach
hello me to kama
aha nti yanku ye ni my coach the asime bu say ya na wi anu ye
na me say social place no say e be here easy fresh because I'm say a 10 months is set of place
coach line you better try be mem say yenya challenges wo ho nti odan di fa we ni wie on hu wie na ya sa try coach line
na mamento so na menkatie for say Radiant Beam Company Limited enso aba airborne manfo na pai ana say na wie sa wo temenka na open electrical cables papa ene wo de wire ofie ana say wo shop na enkofa jachiche bia amade a na wo dan wani akopiem Radiant Beam Company Limited yen ene akofa bosan air cables na dia be de fritaki ena ya dia be ye wo dozo po enso egu ho sanso na wire cables and also locally made wo ba size bia wo pay free 1.5 eco 16 mm no wo ba won sabeke be Samsung underground air cables no all sizes Radiant Green Company Limited ya ko fa be ba sa wo ba na wo pay wholesale and as a retailer wo ba ya Samsung our discount kama ya Samsung re mo bia dum ya ben air Metro FM Prudential Bank in Chaope and won sabeka Radiant Beam Company Limited na for electrical cables papa no won so be so friend an ye din koma 0203 0203000300 Winsabeka Radiant Beam Company Limited na fe cables no wonso atimi akwa original ones na fe quality ones no na wonso atimi ayusu kama multimedia enya 25 years hooray entiana wo wutwa mo habia bonto ampa brante na bo fita se bi hwe multimedia 25 menena najma de your size no say yakase too much your size ni nyama to muguso wo mo ye size enso de make ajar watchuti obehwehwemi ye me se menena najma your size ne so enti ya shirt ni nyama eba yenso ye behwe multimedia 25 years ye do bibia ase etiefo ahwefo e wo Facebook mo na we say multimedia kura ye mu say multimedia ye guso ye tre ya shema ye kosa dik atare no wonya bia hye ye de ne beba eche menena najma de ya kase onze de eba ne mu twisa mo size ene bae nana ye de ne beba tena ye de ne beba on sa kase ne beba na ya hye
hese bi beba na but ye da tiefo ya 25 years de
antini ye de fufu party ne ba
yes nyame adoma on the 6th of March de hia ne so de oba wa potoyo wo fie wo chansi wo fie wo de wo ye fense ba ko na dasen kura de fabra o ba ne sun se wo kodi fufo inhyire fam free
na me de ye didi ye wo sa 55 ne didi ye wo
nti so na choba for ne restaurant akese na ompesom dom ho agim no o do ho be join a free
fufu party as part of the
ano me catch say fufu de to baba kura change jollof for you 11 nti nyame ya do on the 6th of March na jumadi ne beba so yen san fese benya coach Joseph Asaribedi akobima coach afi online emu ya kakra ho ya da nyame ase coach ntini ye busa se brekum Chelsea mugya ya dumu ana gya mo shase ye start league
there be eja bi enum ni I say football e bi American no man win draw lose and times we go committee will be on so tactically no is superior to you until we there obe show on this ana football not here but still we are working on things. So we have to bounce back. So we are now a place, so a set of players now. Bonoa 10 matches now. We are about 80% or more bossa and to fatigue setting kakra. We are working on it.
Ano penny a dim komo de no mu game money interlice boy na amanfo bisa se goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim die ntina coach modern tina bench
ano nya yibia seria because yeah ban fail me na ba no usi Kumasi or sre kwa si Kumasi them so report too late into training na ye be 4 days training or ye mu 2 into now say and ye first or sa and sa ne ko sie ne bibia
okay because na ye tete say due to accumulated yellow cards bi ne ade
there be and sa
but what or report too late or camp ntia
I'll report too late. Don't say training the at least training the other so petty players. And to say training now for now but 2. I won't say yes, you have not been fair to the other player.
Oh, okay. Coach nti enano so we game ya muni interlight boy pa na brekum Chelsea TV na omu shamo 3-1 no. Eba said surprise be now you disappointed with players in him.
Well, coach be a bit disappointed because home the only say na Olusu ayane hajune kakra. Nti nyame nko coach bia Olusu mo disappointed.
I see. Na nyame adoma Wednesday mo konkran mo na Accra Great Olympics na airball. Say Olivia said obi awadani asibe de na brekum Chelsea mo ko fa win aba.
One of the men person that can want to say because young boy we are preparing to go for the match and team can want him see because we are now say we are now open term car geja over mistake.
But say why coach dey supporters be personally so meti bibi kura free ho na omo se bia gidie ho se motimi akọwene a.
Ano de say de wonim no obi akọkọ onim so akọwene nti ba mentimi ka say ye mo nwe mi ga say mekọ akọhye Olympics na you say no ano de me meja sama obo ade nyankopon because we do be obaye wadwuma nyina kama afi wa akọjo no na wa nya fe be mfiri no a oye ni die enyi
Coach upon the course in and saying, mo game ya say, I said, as a tiaba from Kakane, and more GD say, your more season, you next la Moda baby papa, at least, waiting me Africa next season.
I wish the whole team wish that the team I maintain a position now could do baby a new senior league in a very good position and give a push your comment.
Okay, coach. Every me for see and me admire besa kasam repem. All right, a tier for so brekum Chelsea. One more head coach and yene din komo coach Joseph Asaribidiakon nensem eno but yenhwe Yaya Mohammed so yene din komo kakra na Yaya yebusa Yaya Mohammed say nansen so ba Ghana Premier League mu a Yaya Mohammed eto ntena say hwe goalkeeper chat mo ne Victorien Adebayo na wo mo pre goalkeeper na Yaya Mohammed yebusa say e na ni motivation pa de bia ya gina park so a no to ntena say edu ba bi kura no Ghana League o ne nam akobobobo ba bi na ba yehunu say na wanyini ba Yaya Mohammed ba say de bia wa ni pa foforo me Mrs. YS Zlatan Ibrahimovic because so Yaya Mohammed obobo na just a ball na che say Ahmed Antono obeto atana Yaya the motivation is yenti no
motivation in all the Ghana no osha obi 30 31 32 na yankasa no ya retire no but me obi a me fama adwene enfama nipa nye ni peka no na sebi ebebem die wankasa as a player no e was say ohun nyoma 1 or 2 bi a obeya obe last ebeche because the obedi ebeko mu the obenu ebeko mu no e was say when and where obi an stop say men fa oba obi an stop say men smoke and say men no monsa but also when and where our best and money as a footballer. And this I know money now I think you need this one one health mommy now and then to me 90 minutes and moreover as a footballer and I've made a lot of it.
All right, yeah, Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium aba ye ko honum da de tiene se enne okwa Babaya Stadium as part of Ghana nyame adma 6th of March anniversary na ye nom renovations ni ade e koso nya ntie se Youth and Sports Minister Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama e wo stadium wa odi nsem bi di tudwa yenti kakramra
Accra Sports Stadium when I start here after me ko honuma Accra Sports Stadium is back to life I kama pa sisi kama ntimu nyamudu wadansie makoko matiki bi hormo asebi netro ya fefe Accra Sports Stadium aye kabeshe aye nya ko honuma na sekeke sombu Kumasi yeni ba bu kan dia you are going to one amount people are getting Kumasi for you are producing more athletes that's all my Ghana me I mean we are coming Korea with speed wala in Korea with speed I hear the team I was records unya na anu shipa entino samwe me asose Kumasi Sports Stadium se du hanum yebesi hanum kama na ka beshe ya se bia no besi no na di guy there account Kumasi Sports Stadium do sha hani jersey ya tracks ya boy mu I say it's not fit for purpose I shall see yes entino na me adom ya wodo ama contractor me na so me na se this in ko bo se Kumasi Sports Stadium be ni e ko so na se na ibusua ye no na hanomo ayaka be shefa na ite se kama na yina ya ni ade aji se di madan tende every people hanomo esi ponso munya num se fa se pa contract ya da me simultaneously me dey ko so na so ebisu ko so esi pon also ya dey kama sa be sisi enti Ghana for ina kama tell me say apostle na show man Ghana say ya baby sisi the council me dey na le ko so another one also knew you the Ghana for me say you never host all after games 2023 yen twen ama me no so this is after the enter the my Ghana ade nya bida Olympic Sports Stadium Ghana ya say the ba committee no fia nkuna wi na ya sa ba sports infrastructure na ku fado ko be bia na say be be kala some say one no buy ya
It's a massive transformation in sports infrastructure across the country. And tell me this, I'm not cover the council, so I do my deal when you're a course. And I'm now a sportsman. And John, legacy in sports, so I'm gonna put the guy. After you knew after games, you know, not gonna transform your sports across all the disciplines, you know. And then the factor is the plan of move. The vampire, you might hear, you know, after games, you come say, you can't be part of the end. Then you look, must be. If you have so long, you decide the other count. Now, how to send them up. The Munya Matri, something John for Mukumati, ordinarily. Munya, that you may be, Munya 30 years, I don't know, but I'm able to must you, Adaroma, not that you may be able to say the Matri. Oh, Taibu said you to the Munya, what to me, I can't boom said, fantastic matter spotted in the end cabbage in Unity. And tell me the regional director, so a branch come up for one of us. But when you would not so many maintenance of the Banama essay. Now, the opinion so a boss. I said you know, you know your home. Maintenance court and the wood. Makato will be able to stay on the neck for the Yajuma. As you get some Yajuma be on, also have that maintenance court and a wood too. The gross maintenance court, maybe I thought to say, put this, you know, when they come, they are quite queen. And they say, your Bokaya, no one has they talk a couple of them. Permanently, you live on the or boy, or mental progress, or my report. There's a maintenance manual after the ages so that they are studying and say. And you didn't say, yes, why I think that maintenance coach. As you see, coach, you say, yeah, over Trasama, say, Takoboka, you say a cat, but in continuous maintenance regime, I did the Shelly and Calcidia, and the persuade, so the Yasakai. The saying should be a school documentary on the baby come my decent here on track to back to life the Buana, 13 years, and the mother of your home, my trainer, may be a bus. No, that Ben you should take my modern service. Oh, I want October this year. Now, you're really a near you. So, about an idea will be Nipa, the addition of when it costs on funding for the Colonial. Some I have a man up on when you have to be to me, no, said you go on one. Then soon, a branch met a timeline with money into a contractor. We didn't say, we did my hands only you, and I said, Abanon, and so on one young man. But I will be obeyed the anything, a man tournament. After Monday, everything was on point. As changing rooms, everything. The next thing be a pitch, the beer was on point. Not everything before the tournament began. Some for the happy when they came here. And to me, you did almost a brandy. I made a man operation with the men of Sunway in a water. And to the minia, and many videos of the Mr. Entity. Massive Cabashe, what you know, back to life for any automatic. She got some moons in a Bangadorma. The better you are the panel, first sports minister. A mother to be no money. The hands Catam area Juma was how much and to know, some of the idea you are Tanofrata Daruma, and Satan said the money and to know, some more shots, you did your connoisseur. Non-playing. You don't know if you are right. The other, the bad station was Mamma Mill and Boba Musa, Namadalma, the Boba, a buyer ready to make sure the command sport in back to life. But Anthony Diaz on course.
Yes, can you let us say you feel like you're active?
I know not the I don't know, mention a year, son, I say, you know, every year, you Tima. In Hanogo, you know more than a cost of the Kosovo, a bonnet lady and for her guidance. Share operative arrangement, that boy got ye, a pocket a court in the water. But the body doesn't get into the moment you have to pay or more complaining, and you're mom. Can you believe the moment so that one of them what I just say to my like, and then we got here. When you are any year that you now had and then night matches also a decade. So when you are promote you know up for Juma, a barber shamat come out. When you are not one, in the other city, when you say only not doing scoreboard in Yan, now cover. And I will not see anything. Commatas and the in any park, and I read you some to meet Macovana. I hope I know the Mamo. 96% complete. The pitch is ready. But I only what on them. What they better than on pen side fine, but yeah, they see we are a Omaja Padie. You never say commission Omaja Padie. And then they never had me fire. They're gonna get idea. So they never on your Quandia and I'll got one from there. Your man got any idea. If you are team be able to lie there, I could show them how being one. I don't know your pit is ready. Mongo yes, and you know they are good. It's a good one. What's losing now? I thought we are now commission. We are a cat track of Kano. And to the only has and so we are at the amount of years. Not the hard, and what purpose? Other courts in our Mugusua and to the only. And to me, it is about 25 disciplines or that, sports stadium. Now, boy,
I didn't secret. Sports ministry will be by 1 month or 1 month. So, watch out for I didn't secret entry so far. Course of
discipline, I'm sure. Mr. Cordio, the German, come in, I'm sure. I will know, there will be a discipline scheme. Tina, Abua, and to run media and some also to open Guassier and come out of the for a honor doesn't also. And so, we don't say, yeah, put my survival and then I go out of my female son. That's how possible. In a bunch that, Mabasa. And we did it in the amount. That's a bomb pile and a bomb master. But just now, I could do now, and no home now. We did it so before. The Dominia must be anything to a few some of the mammy. Overshare, not to care, throw, Isaiah, throw, no, we have throw. Other here, hey, no matter what do down honorable. Kanamo, you say, Senior, a boy, a man, Jumadina, 18 posts. No, Nipa, you see, not a kind of which is what. Would you say, for Apple? The Dominia must be an issue.
Hello, another one.
Bright about Taylor.
Yeah, Nana.
And the minister Eden Sempedia to Yati be any tearful United, but your pictures be what Hanama ye streaming and I ye show live on Facebook. Ama your phone so it's me. I said, yeah, Moko na stadium where city, minimum Moko, dear, and dear BM who I ente and I am we.
Say, Oba, let's a Mabruno, the Dwana Besse, close to 20, and I walk and tracks and so and Ukuni, Omoya Jumanapa. I started a year, I started 100-meter race now. Yes, I say Kotono. About Moya, Benfica, about do dugout a your home team, and so Tanana, Omotion, Miss Ombetwaso, and so at the Aquanimu, and so El Honum now. Also, at down in Chess Center, once another beer, be a 4x100 yards, and I say Bimusu said a cocoa now, and I say Bimusu was such a American so at the baby, also, or my Sasia Yikaka, and so the friend question. Omsi adwuma de de pa de amusi no amusi te yen sampa from wording but omuguso a enso adwuma na o ba stadium so ya penti ya sa se penti no so a say o start entrance one painters na penti woni akama sa dia baba be du mizo ho penti kaka kete am ka say omu de penti ni bi so aba de bia presidential boss one am wa so du wo so a ye tutu yes, our presidential box one man, a person Pankunyano on the replacing the kama, and Sana Fis match and also at the Edwin and Maniano on the year VBI to 1 10 pesos for the 5th match, not yes, stands in the Minano and Tiaban Tanasa honorable and command now, Alicia Yedito disease, and if I say, Ghana flag, no, yes, I would have to do man, that's a beer person now, presidential box was my address on our class person, said yes, said ya anete no be club no ma bem na ta say tiya contain nipa bebre enso e ho no o se the city da na on be bem ayi atutu nya ayi glasses no abem I send no enso atwa ba ni mu a ene so nhese ya ene so e ba so plan light no so do ma for nti bitimi so ne bi adum ni ade ni nyina no since e be si wo yan froda enkwankwa ntini nyina enso on be yi niema ni nyina wo so anase life ni nyina na afi bombs no masa maintain ni kama ama dwumade na so na o apa nkane anase na yi pa ntini nyina enso nkoma kire nkoma na ni so ye di ni kama nti said ya tie no nese nana wanza akotoko kimfaisa the last of what amamo ne team beat so asiko deportivo mo beto be bia fa na fo makobubo mo matches so it said standard trust no ya sha nese athletics no na sanka ba so 9th and 10th media inter school so ni super zone as one happy and ya dey beba so because you tutu omo in term dey bia na no dey atimi aba so ntem is that ye yan san na team match na timi duro le mo pitch na aba dey ente bia ye be yini na enso e dey firi ho enso ahyehyɛ le fofo kama ama bibia timi enso etimi akoso nana
okay BYT nti dia ka nyina de twe fagu of abra nyame admo kyena na de ni nyina to etiefo ni why brain nti
okay nana adwan
eno ye bright ebo Taylor Court Stadium Babaya Stadium ekohe said the Babaya Stadium renovations ni ADC ekoso Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama na yetene nkaso de nsema hodo no ekoso e Babaya Stadium de to nyame admo kyena ye betena se nsem we nyina ne begulem na afi etimi edi ho enkomo ye hwese bi ebetimi edi nkomo ba komi no bi ansa na ya sori na enche ebebie phone lines na mati for so mobem na mo de madwenche de abanti pictures a ekoso Babaya Stadium no and ye really live on Facebook and said so far Babaya Stadium Tatan Tracks next year ne said the Hunsem University no na ejarem no na live on Facebook kwa obonse ya tutututu bebrebe na chese omo fix ni nyina na amfo bisa se ntinkenye sis match anka stadium tinken yenye asemu na ya Mohammed say Ghana Premier League na ye bon 10 goals na wahye no wose goal king no opeso oje
Goalkeeper magic striker bia person to goalkeeper to put idea that striker bia nso me dey na bro sa striker no so me person magic goalkeeper no so person to goalkeeper or super player or super magic goalkeeper some matches na also obo say me cut up no about down but cut up and small about down it can happen or a very good player but also me dey so yes because last year on Saturday and I remember on Sunday to be frank with you Saturday no my sleepless night serious I'm sleepless night because ono me do all of a sudden no only me have a now I have a plan home with 2 goals also person to go key seriously pushing me na I am the same challenge and no sound me more than one item I cost so more.
Alright, ya Mohammed so ensem eno na Kwame Dankwa deputy Accra rep Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na finally Asante Kotoko team no enso survey almost 3 matches ban wo Babaya Stadium eno na bibia bewie na Kwame Dankwa kasa se nyame ya adoma enche ombete task force bi wo stadium a wa obedi sebi hunu anani amon ho sembi omo chewa ene won so waso betimi ahye
America say and Nyamin Chadi. The 3 matches initially it was 5 matches. Then he pleaded for mitigation. Ghana Football Association back 3. And then about the last one. The first one was against Guavs. The second one was against Liberty. And the last one against Ashanti. And he has several ways. I'm sure the next game be about Babaya Arabia will be allowed, especially our supporters of Babylon. Unfortunately for us, 9 points out of that. Like I said, you win Bako and you draw 2. You have 5 out of 9. Did you say Kanye will call as supporters are ABA and Kaya cheers and our support the Bama players? Maybe to make sure my game. Manchester United get the 3 matches more points. The supporters' absence in these 3 home games, in my view, are affecting and seriously. Apart from financial problems and challenges, almost supporters are man. There's spiritual support and physical support from the supporters. Also, you're moving forward. On behalf of the National Secretaries Council, I want to plead with our supporters. It's not football. I mean, never again should we allow this thing to happen. Oh, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Now, when you're say, and Kofu, we bet you that no mood be a Bruni for so. I shall betray more pretending that Omodoko chain. And you be critical on better to a Boako Park. So, henceforth, the NCC, in collaboration with management, any security agencies, and the what we call the task force, Ebe Babon. I am matches on the boy and monitor gate, ticket racketeering, the Beshan yet maximize your gate. And then again, Kofwa, Emma Timono, any problems, yet to Omusa, you hand them over to the police. Let you know any
Yo, Nana Kwame Dankwa, deputy Accra rep Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nensem, and so and no Sani say. Ye can find a full free Babaya Stadium. After the Mbitimi arena matches. At the DNA Kosovo Stadium ho. Sani. At the Kosovo Stadium, okay. Mammy messages in Kakra and Sana Metimi Afa course maybe NS Quarten was an Najman, my 8-year-old daughter by name. Gail said Wakwaten is watching with me and she want to hear her name mentioned. Okay, from Bridgewater, New Jersey. Okay, and Ernest, my body didn't be sure about now, dear. Nani and so Aje. Oh, ba Nana. Osana Najman, you will bow down your head in shame because Chelsea will beat your Manchester United tonight. Why? Eric Kwakuja and Fibe too. Osana Najman, please kindly extend my sincere greetings to my 3 handsome boys. Nana Yao Lucky. Nana Yao, Lucky and Blessing. And of course, my beautiful wife Joyce Bawa of Asante quite precisely Bebetu's pub, Dubai Discovery Gardens. Okay, James Sanane, Ozela Vinci Jr. watching you live from 14 near Obuase. Medase. Ayala, whether can be time no cry swan is our time now. So, but the attendance so called Birmingham or UK, Birmingham, the outside London. Na Mia Madam for Efeno, Nana Joa, on any mame, Matakesua, Dodona Fen sister ya. Almost muti show ninti me enchi omowie na Nana Joan ne maame matakesi adodo na fe na sister ya e wo Birmingham UK.
Where do UK the maame nchi Hubert. Hubert so UK machia no. Kotoko ne almost stadium band ho futu de. Enya afi ne beka. Every Kotoko supporter feel the pain. Club na nkasa so feel it. And I can say me so se Kotoko ni bi o ha o take na de buachi ansan kran ka che. Say na PR na say Kotoko say mum friend or radio so ebia Kotoko supporter ko ni refi brekum Chelsea sense me PR so say abane no nti the consequences of the Kotoko supporters ne omum panyimfo bi ye in the game against brekum Chelsea ni there obia feel the impact mean kind the number of times a coach Masokro do nya akonya and some 12 of twetwem komo dey atu anim say Kotoko supporters omum ni stadium no has affected them sikasemu spiritually, the image of the club, and no be brave. Nti some year by year after us good game no, and who football ne the way forward they may also supporters no, and in paying for no bia etu no hofo. At same way, I think last 2 weeks, and Chamo Kacham say me friend Nanako Karami Musa say after 6 match in the event say you be closest stadium na renovation Kotoko plans and also more plan B in the same. I'm a fair cook up a catcher me say and there's an intro let be amre or more. And see Omunim say there's an impending stadium renovation be a cost and the Kotoko some plan see a answer and be rest today. Miss Alfred and Nakoka the same answer or the mame.
But the minister say your 2 stadium now you know sports complex in any stadium no. Almost facilities in BBS set. And I Kim Pfizer for so one more chief support tobacco Sani so say so mu free we work in Pfizer.
You see Kim Pfizer are fine but Kotoko and your complex asam Kotoko doesn't play at a complex. Kotoko the CCI in Asante region venue bit magic Kotoko probably be a Obuasi even Paju kra intimate Kotoko because of the numbers of almost supporters in the area. And it's may I sure say it should be a bab.
Yeah.
Yes, so say fair
the updates but Kotokone had to full game because for London no.
Yeah.
Among folks who are organizers in a number no. Na already Erika catch say Sikano a channel deadline no. Sikano 15,000 cedis new cedis and what they call pounds may £2,000. Now packages a visa support and a visa fees. Accommodation in London, travel insurance, breakfast, transportation in London, game tickets, sightseeing to Tottenham Stadium, Emirates Stadium, and at Stamford Bridge of Chelsea, return tickets and peace of mind. Deadline so to be secure visa no and our package no enyami admochna 18 February 2020. Number no 055 0544 0544 322 111 0544 322 111 ofe number na Ubinya organizers and 0544 322 112 0544 322 112 ofe number na on sabit me akomia for time na kanama etifo na so emblem 0322083581 0552179420 ofe sisi ya na edwatum na on so waba. Hello Pato
Bibia bakode
nyame adom Pato na nso e
nyame adom na meso mo ye pa ja mo abaso akonya kesi a otinu juma wodi Kofi Bodo of Vienna Austria acham ko guse beso ana meta Michael Ankwan me sa mo nyina me ncho na me de go to consent punishment o nyina me ko na mu ni se sa na get say ko 5 no because ade esi ye no eni go say bi so football mu biom on that large guse so no supporters bi ko ye ni me bi tia no sa na nyina ese twam ye chi obi a ye de na tum some years and some months bi a na di party dey sua de beti bobo okromu abewi na du transfer referee no o nipa so ati ase nti be de maso kono du kana I hope say e koma teams na aka ni nyina ye sua di wo mu say anye de bia e ko ni bi nya say ye pe ni nsa be kan beti moji de say career so no ye be show mo amadu ana de fa kwa koji 5 me aduma Wednesday de eni gwan so bi nyama bi di agro mo nyiro mo no mo share e ye share so a e je say mu na kotoko
Mate, Medase Pato was a good evening, Nanajima. You guys are doing a great job. Today, Chelsea will beat Manchester United. Greetings to Gertrude Bio, CEO of Get Love Fashion Center of Buakwa C. Okay, from Alex Boatin of Adrian Passports. Okay, and me a message on also day banono, Mate, and the Manchester by Chelsea 1-0. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss. Mbacho din baby afifi.
Pacho Midiane Joel. Kasepula hemba kokoben.
Yanku ye ni my boss.
Mami ndi kan mama mbo na ejuma. Na me cha hemba kokoben for ma obi a otie serafin ya. Na kakra mfasa me kan se House of Folk. Omunyiro omo ho. Ma mo sa ante temba. So vem no manya mo fata enko. Esa so na so ni aje. Mesro ma penifo no mo kasa che prayers no more than my